So it will be Portmore for sure to meet Arnett Gardens in the grand final of the Red Stripe Premier League. That is the fourth best team of the season, Portmore United, versus the sixth best team for the season, Arnett Gardens, playing for the title of National League champions, while the top three performing teams for the season, Humberland, UFC, and Montego Bay United, are all at home licking their wounds. And we know the argument will continue. So we want justice, and the format this and the format that. But it is what it is, and everybody knew in advance what it would be. Now, as for the issue of the top two teams being inactive for too long, certainly, by the performances and the results, the active teams have gotten better of the inactive teams. And no matter how the coaches talk about players getting rest and blah, 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 rhythm and momentum are key in sports. And rhythm and momentum in football come from playing competitive games, not from training sessions. So the PFAJ and the PLCA need to find a way to level off that particular playing field. No matter the twists and the turns, though, we must give Arnett and Portmore credit. These two pedigree teams with 9 Premier League titles between them beat who them have to beat over 180 odd minutes and are once again in the Premier League final. Eh? How you mean who will win? Who me think will win or who me want to win? Eh? Let me put it this way. The same team I think will win is the same team I want to win. Which team? Later in the week.